Right now, let me show you how you can change the location of the weather widget on your Mac. So as you can see, I have the weather widget, which is for Los Angeles, but you can see that if I right click on it, so I have my cursor above that, if I right click, I can change the size, remove it, and so on. But if I click on edit the forecast, it's gonna make another window show up on the top of it. And this is the place where I can control and change the location of the widget. So for me, it is currently set to Los Angeles, but I can choose any location from the saved ones on my device or look up any city into the search. So if I want to change it to London, for example, you can see location is set like this. I'm gonna hit it done. It might take a while to load up and the location is different, and of course the widget shows different information as well as different style and color and all of that. But as I said, you can as well not just choose from the locations, but you can look up something else. For example, I can type in Dallas, US, right? You can see Dallas, Texas, United States. I can hit it done, and now this is the wallpaper, the widget weather information. So that's how you can do this. It is pretty simple. Let me know if you managed to make that work. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos.